After introducing competitive mode, we received extensive feedback that in-game aiming and control felt more closely aligned with users' hand movements. To deliver more true-to-hand tracking and a refined gameplay experience, the NP-01S V3 features a customized sensor paired with purpose-built, optimized algorithms, enabling more immediate, precise, and naturally responsive control. Since each user has different movement habits, we recommend starting with your preferred polling rate, then experimenting with settings such as competitive, standard modes, and motion sync to explore different tracking behaviors. To help users intuitively compare these differences in-game, the new receiver supports instant switching between 3 profiles, allowing you to toggle back and forth during gameplay to feel the changes in tracking and find the settings that best suit your preferences. In addition, providing stable wireless transmission with minimal interference has always been a key focus of our development. For the receiver design, we adopted a cylindrical structure that maintains a certain height for the receiving end, helping expand the reception range and improve connection stability with the mouse. Through simulations of high interference environments similar to tournament setups, where some mice might experience stutters or sudden drops in polling rate, the new generation wireless technology, CoreLink, developed with the support of Pixar's wireless engineering team, continues to deliver smooth gameplay and stable polling performance. Therefore, we recommend CoreLink for users who prioritize control and stability and who want to minimize the risk of interference from external environments. Next, we will go over the updates and specification upgrades of the NP-01S V3. The NP-01S V3 shape has been widely favored by both players and professionals. While retaining the original shape and hand feel, we adjusted the sensor position from the center of the bottom to a higher position aligned with the scroll wheel, making it more parallel to the 2 fingers. A sensor positioned too far back can result in slower turning, while one too far forward can feel slightly overly sensitive. With this adjustment, overall movement balance is improved. The mouse feet have been enlarged for greater stability, and the thickness has been increased from 0.6mm to 0.75mm to help prevent scratching the mousepad. At the same time, the gap between the feet and the edges has been reduced, and using smaller round feet help minimize wobble and improve stability. The power switch has been changed to a toggle switch, and the bottom button and indicator light have been removed, with adjustments and status indication now handled via the receiver. The NP-01S V3 weighs 57 grams, and the main button switches continue to use Huano mechanical switches. To enhance the click feel, the side buttons feature a more 3-dimensional design. The bottom shell has also been refined from a more rounded style to a cleaner and more streamlined appearance. The NP-01S V3 will be the first model equipped with VAXEE's custom sensor Core 1 and the next generation wireless technology CoreLink. Core 1 increases IPS from 750 to 850, supports an 8K polling rate, and enables fine-tuning in 1 DPI increments. It also expands the lift-off distance settings from the original 2 levels to 5 levels, offering greater capability with different user preferences. When set to higher levels, it effectively reduces drag issues that may occur when using glass mouse pads combined with thicker mouse feet due to insufficient lift-off distance. CoreLink wireless technology provides a more stable wireless transmission and stronger anti-interference performance. However, due to its dual-core architecture, different from previous single-core design, we regret to inform existing VAXEE mouse users that, unlike before, it will not be possible to purchase the receiver separately for an upgrade. On the new receiver, the 3 buttons on the top allow users to adjust DPI, polling rates, and 3 customizable profiles. Settings can be configured and saved via the WebDriver according to user preference. In addition, pressing the polling rate and customized profile buttons simultaneously will display the current battery status. The NP-01S V3 will be available in multiple color options. Details regarding release order and sales information will be announced on VAXEE's official social channels. That concludes all the information for this video. Thank you for watching.